How to use Google Drive like a pro. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use your Google Drive like a pro. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Now let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Drive. So head over to drive.google.com and log in into your Google account, and you should be on your Drive. Now here you can see on the left hand side you'll find multiple sections on your Drive. This is the home one, which will be by default. You can see My Drive, where you can see whatever you have on your Drive. You can see computers. You can see Shared with Me. If someone has shared any folders or files with you, it will appear here. You can see Recent, where every recent files that you've opened or used will show up here. You can see Start. This is basically the favorite section. You can see Spam and Trash and Storage. So there you can see the storage total of 15 GB, how much is used and how much is not. So yeah, this is basically your Google Drive. Now what you can do here is tap on this new option. From here you can create a new folder. You can choose a file to upload. You can choose a folder to upload. You can also create Google Docs, Google Sheets, and many more options. So let's just upload a file. You can create folders from here, or you can upload some directly. So you can upload one by just dragging and dropping your files. So there you can see I can select multiple files and drag them and drop them right here. And then your files will get uploaded. If you don't see it here, you can always reload your tab. And there we go. So this is how you upload it. And there you can see the storage is now getting more. So yeah, now you can share this as well by tapping on these three dots, tapping on the share option, and sharing via link, or you can mail them as well from here. And if you don't want it anymore, you can then move it to trash, and now it should be on the trash. So you can see I can empty the trash by tapping on empty trash. And that's how you use your Google Drive. Guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.